Thanks for watching this DIY. So what I'm going to be using for this table is this crate. It'll be sitting on top of it. But first I need to connect my 4 legs. I have already cut 2 12-inch piece PVC pipes that I need to put together in these connectors, and I will be actually putting these inside of the top of the crate. But first I need to do a quick fit to make sure they're the right size. So I'll put the other end on and do a quick test. And if you see, they actually will lay down on the sides at the top. I'll be using some E6000 to hold them down, and of course I'll put my 4 legs in each of the sides. And as I mentioned earlier, I'll also use the screws to drill them in. But first let me cut my last piece of PVC pipe with this cutter, but let me make some room and show you how I do that. Click it until it cuts it totally off, and it's protected where it won't come out. The blade is really sharp, so I'll put that all to the side. And so I've got my 4 legs here, and I've got my, that's an extra piece. I got my pieces here that are going to go inside the table to hold the 4 legs in place. Alright, as you can see here at the bottom, I've put some extra PVC pipes down. So I've got 4, as you can see right here, there's 1, and then I put 1 over here as well, just for extra support, and I've glued them down with some E6000. And yes, I am going to go ahead and screw these in. But first I need to cut out some foam board so that I can put it around the outside of the crate. Now I'll be using this E6000 to put across the edges of my foam board, and also use the glue gun to give it a quick bond, because I need to try to hold all these pieces up to surround the actual crate. Alright, I just completed putting foam board around the entire crate, and I've got a little opening here, so I'm actually going to take some extra foam board and fill in all the spaces and cover up this spot here. Okay, now I've got my table upside down. I've got all my legs on, and I'm basically just needing to put the top on at this point. But I am thinking about cutting some more PVC to go across the 2 legs so that I can spread them out a little bit more, and I'll end up securing them with a screw and a drill at some point. Alright, I've attached my extra PVC pipes, and I've hot glued them on really quick, and I'm just adding some E6000 to make sure they bond securely.